Okay, so today's date is, and in this video we are going to look at the prices of the most commonly used building materials: sand, cement, stones, iron rods, wood, blocks, and more, coming up next. Alright, so let's start with iron rods. Today, a ton of iron rods, the standard iron rods, is selling for 8,800 Ghana cedis. And this is good news because the price has been relatively stable for the past 3 weeks. So this week, 20mm iron rod is selling for 197 Ghana cedis, 60mm selling for 125.80, 14mm selling for 92.70, 12mm selling for 70.40, and 10mm selling for 44.50. If you want the high tensile iron rods, 20mm selling for 303.10 Ghana cedis, 16mm selling for 192.40, 12mm selling for 108.70, and 10mm selling for 74.70. Now, if you want binding wire, a coil of binding wire is sold for 70 Ghana cedis, whilst floor mesh is sold for 320 Ghana cedis for 10 pieces. Next, let's look at the price of sand and stones. Now, the price of sand and stones have gone up appreciably, and if you want a trip of sand or stones, depending on the location where your building site is and how far they are going to fetch the sand and stones, and the cubic capacity of the track, you are going to get sand and stones for between 1,800 to 3,500 Ghana cedis. And for blocks, if you want 5 inches hollow blocks today, you are going to get it at about 7 Ghana cedis, and 6 inches hollow blocks are selling for 7.50 Ghana cedis. Now I also needed to purchase nails for scaffolding. Like, I was using the remaining wood that I used for my roofing works to do scaffolding for the the plastering works, the outside and everything. Okay, so today 3 and 4 inch nails are selling for 100 Ghana cedis for a box of nails, and if you want a pound of nails, you can get it for 10 Ghana cedis, whilst 1 inch and 1.5 inch nails are selling for 150 Ghana cedis per box, whilst a pound sells for 15 Ghana cedis. Next, if you want wood, 2x4 wood is sold for 40 Ghana cedis, 2x3 for 35 Ghana cedis, and 2x2 for 28 Ghana cedis. Now, if you want the boards have moved from 80 cedis to 90 Ghana cedis. Next, let's look at the prices of cement. So this week, the price of cement has been relatively stable, similar to what we had last week and even last 2 weeks. So we have Gasem 42.5 R grade selling from between 92 to 95 Ghana cedis depending on the location. Diamond cement is also selling for 92 Ghana cedis, whilst Jata cement is selling for 92 Ghana cedis. Simaf is also selling for 92 Ghana cedis for the 42.5 R grade cement. However, if you want a 32.5 R grade cement, which is usually used for plastering, then you can get it for about 82.5 Ghana cedis to 85 Ghana cedis. Next, let's talk about P.O.P materials. So, if you want home charm paint, the 20 liters is selling for 350 Ghana cedis. P.O.P cement, 1 bag, which is 40 kilograms, is selling for 120 Ghana cedis. A bundle of fiber, which is 100 kilogram bag, is selling for 5,000 Ghana cedis. Whilst if you wanted a kilo of fiber, you get it for 55 Ghana cedis. So click here to watch any other video which has been recommended to you, and let me know how much it costs in your local area. Thanks, be brave.